This video shows you to turn Auto Rotate on or off on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Auto Rotate is a useful feature that automatically changes your screen orientation between portrait and landscape when you rotate your device. If you prefer to keep your screen locked in portrait mode, you can easily disable it at any time. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the Auto Rotate or Portrait icon. If you currently see Portrait, it means Auto Rotate is turned off. If you see Auto Rotate, the feature is already enabled. Next, touch and hold, long press the text underneath the Auto Rotate or Portrait icon instead of simply tapping it. This will open the detailed Auto Rotate settings page. Here you'll find additional options that let you control how Auto Rotate works. You can enable or disable automatic rotation for the home screen, lock screen, and voice call screen individually. Turn the switches on or off according to your preference. Then tap Done to save your changes. If you want to use Auto Rotate, make sure the main Auto Rotate option is enabled. Your phone will now automatically switch between portrait and landscape mode whenever you rotate the device in supported apps. If you decide to turn Auto Rotate off later, simply swipe down again to open the Quick Settings panel and tap the Auto Rotate icon. It will change back to portrait, locking your screen in portrait orientation. That's all there is to it. See you next time.